Hey guys, Ladylocks here, and I've got this really cool unknown padlock from the DDR. Okay, that is old Germany. So evidently these don't have a manufacturing name or any type of information at all. These are just found in Germany, and they know that they were made during a certain time period. And DigPix was kind enough to send me a few of these that he found. They're kind of rare. Nice shackle pop. There's no way to get into these locks. They don't have any type of, way to gut them to see what's inside. But these are wafer locks. Here's the key for this one. You can see there's top and bottom wafers on here. And here's the keyway. And I'm going to simply tension it with this tension wrench that I got from Southern Specialties or lockpicktools.com. I'm just going to place it very, very gently in the top here and just turn this ever so slightly. You can see the core turns just ever so slightly. Just going to hold it there gently. And I'm going to try to pick each side and see if there's anything binding. Seems maybe on the bottom there. I got one. Maybe. I'm not feeling any core movement, so it's kind of hard to tell. Okay. May have overset one already. Oh, felt a little bit of core movement on that one. Gonna go ahead and try the other side one last time. Hopefully there's something binding now. All right, got one there. One more try. All right, there you have it. Very, very cool. Very cool. Very nice little old padlock. So, thank you, DigPix, for this really cool lock. Got a couple of them. I did send one to Pixsmith, so I look forward to seeing his video on this lock as well. Maybe he will be able to find a way to gut it, so we can see what's inside. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. Take care, guys.